Mr. Global Philippines! Say this one with me, guys. Mr. Global Philippines! My name is Jethro Paloma, and I embody the essence of a student, constantly learning and thriving in success. For we are all students of life, and if we continue to learn, we then can create a stronger and brighter globe. Come, come!